Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines from IG on Tuesday the 2nd of October. And after what was a fairly rampant trading day yesterday, it's a calmer start in Europe. The FTSE's down at 17 at 58.03, and we have talked very much in the past about the dance around the 5800 level, and it seems to be continuing. Now, top and bottom of the flagship trading index in London are two of today's corporate reporters. At the top end, Babcock, the defence provider, up 2.5%, having said they're continuing to benefit from the government pushing work towards the private sector on the back of austerity cuts. And then at the other end, Wolseley, the plumbing and builders merchant, down 1.5%, despite the fact they've reported a 10% rise in full-year profits and are proposing a special dividend. Now, we're also watching for news in the merger corner as the Xstrata talks continue to move forward. On the other side of the coin, the BAE and the EADS merger seems to be hitting trouble with one of the major shareholders in France pushing out their problems with the deal yesterday. Now, across in Eurozone crisis land, the news is another month-on-month rise in Spanish unemployment to a headline figure now of 24.6%. The euro falling on this news, now trading just below $1.29. And then also in the currency space, we had the news overnight that the Royal Bank of Australia was reducing rates by 0.25% in the attempt to keep the Australian economy on track in the face of worries over the growth of China and other major Asian economies. The Aussie dollar dropping quickly 50 pips against the US dollar and now sitting just above a 103. Now, US markets yesterday reacted very positively in their morning session to the fact that there was an uptick in US manufacturing data before closing with modest gains. Google in the news having closed well above having closed at an all-time high above $760 and surpassing Microsoft's market cap for the first time in its history. Now today, the opening call is again a more modest one. The Dow Jones up 15 at 135.30, and there will be some focus on the election again today as the first presidential debate gets underway tomorrow on domestic policy. That's it from me. Check out our Insight platform for more news and analysis.